Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing or reviewing the EBL battery station. This has 4 AA's and 4 AAA batteries, and they have certain safety mechanisms built in, which is pretty cool. You can see right there, it's mainly for indoors, obviously, because they're batteries. It comes with these 2 containers for AA's and AAA's, depending on which one you buy. This is for under $20 on Amazon. I'll throw a link up in the description. As you can see, they charge just like this. You can do 4 on each side, and it's pretty cool. I have a battery tester right here. We're going to test the battery out of the box. So they're good. As you can see, both of them are good. So they come pre-charged, not fully, but they come pre-charged, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, they're 1,100 milliamps on the AAA's and 2,000 plus on the AA's, which is more than Duracell's batteries, which is pretty cool. And they do last a lot longer than Duracell's. I've noticed that because I've tried it on my Xbox One controller, and I still haven't had my controller died, and I've been playing for like 15 hours on that. So really good for a single charge, and obviously better than Panasonic. They're low voltage, which means you're able to use them fast, like for a longer time.